Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on eye tracking feature in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18 and now you want to enable or turn on eye tracking feature on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device. And now scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version, that is iOS 18.1. so guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to make it sure that you are using iPhone 12 or the later models. So guys, basically the eye tracking feature is only available in iPhone 12 or the later models, and if you are using iPhone 12 or the later models, then you have to simply open settings in your device and then tap on accessibility, and then you have to scroll it below, and here you will find eye tracking option in the accessibility settings. So guys, here you will see this eye tracking feature or the option in the accessibility settings. So guys, once you tap on eye tracking, here you will get this appearance. So guys, here you can see the eye tracking toggle. You have to simply turn on this toggle to turn on eye tracking feature on your iPhone. So guys, once you turn on this toggle, then eye tracking feature will be activated in your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.